Now question number 5. They are telling draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. Okay, so again first thing that we have to draw a line segment of length 8 centimeter. So I am drawing a line segment of 8 centimeter, leaving space on both the sides. From here I am constructing to here. I have drawn a line segment of 8 centimeter and we have compulsory to name it what it is given in the question. It is A and B. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So now I'll take measurement of 4 centimeter. So here we are taking the measurement of 4 centimeter, placing it here. Okay, I am constructing a circle and this circle is of how much radius? The radius of this circle is 4 centimeter as mentioned in the question. And taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. So now I'll take the measurement of 3 centimeter, taking as a point here, I will draw a circle of here 3 centimeter. Okay, read the question properly, you will easily get what you have to do. So another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Construct the tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. इस लाइन का मीनिंग है from A you have to construct 2 tangents which will meet the smaller circle, and from B you have to construct 2 tangents which will meet the bigger circle. So method will remain same. Look properly what we are going to do here. We are very properly, we are going to from A and B. Everybody can see from A and B. Here I'll be drawing a perpendicular bisector. So what I will do is from B I'll take here, see, measurement more than half, and I'll cut an arc upside and I will cut an arc downside. Okay, similarly I'll be cutting an arc from A, one upside and one downside. Okay, and I will draw here a perpendicular. Now we will get one point. Easily we are getting the point. Okay, so from this point, now this point I am naming as O. So from point O, I'll take the radius as OB. Look properly. I have taken the measurement of OB. Now I am drawing the circle. See, to avoid it should not look shabby, my circle I am not making it completely dark, but I am not changing the measurement. Measurements are same. You should feel the difference. This circle which we are drawing now with some gaps, small gaps in between, is the circle which we will be using to draw the tangents. Now from B, from center of B, it is written construct tangent to each circle from the center of the other circle. So from the center B we will be constructing tangents to A. Here we have constructed. Okay, let us name it T1. and from B here I'll be constructing a tangent here and I'll name it T2. Now from the center A I'll be constructing a tangent to B. We have constructed to B and we can name it anything. I will name it as Q2 and here it is touching the circle, so let it name as Q1 because they have not given the names of tangents in the question, so we are free to name tangents according to our own wish, but the name of line should be AB as it is clearly mentioned in the question. So now here we are having two tangents, so thus you can write, thus what you will be writing? You will be writing here thus T2B and T1B are the tangents from center of smaller circle to the bigger circle, and tangents, which tangents I am telling, tangents Q1A and Q2A are the tangents from the center of bigger circle to the smaller circle. Okay, so thus T1B and T2B, or here you will write AQ1 and AQ2 are the required tangents. Clear?